Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dalchawal. Hope you all are doing well. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this authentic Tamil dish. This is called Mor Kali, and I'll also be sharing a recipe of the delicious chutney, that is Inji Puli, which is part of the Onam Sadhya and it tastes so good. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. Jodi apne ei recipe ko rare dekhiବାକୁ ଚାହୁଁଛନ୍ତି then upar thivā I button link ko press karantu. So the most important part of this Mor Kali is this Mor Milagai Chillies, which are basically sun-dried buttermilk soaked chilies. So to make these we need green chilies and we need to slit them. Now we need to soak them in a curd mixture with salt and crushed methi seeds. And we need to soak the chilies overnight, and after that spread them on a muslin or cotton cloth and dry them in sunlight. Also we need to reserve this curd marinade because after a whole day we need to again repeat the same process, and then we need to repeat this process for 3 to 4 days till no curd is left in the marinade. After 3 to 4 days our Mor Milagai chilies are ready. Now to prepare the Mor Kali, in a bowl take 1 cup of curd. To that add 2 cups of water, half teaspoon of salt. Give it a good mix. Now to this mixture add 1 cup of rice flour. The ratio of curd to rice flour should be 1:1. Now whisk the rice flour well till it is combined. Now in a pan heat 2 teaspoons of gingelly or sesame oil. To that add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of Chana Dal, 1 teaspoon of Urad Dal, 5 to 6 Mor Milagai Chillies, 8 to 10 curry leaves. Now saute them for 1 to 2 minutes. Also add some crushed ginger and give it a mix. Now add the rice flour mixture. Mix it well with the tadka and cook this mixture till it separates from the pan. It takes hardly 3 to 4 minutes. Cook it on low to medium flame. After it separates from the pan, we need to add half teaspoon of sesame oil. Now we need to cook it for a minute more and it is ready to be spread. So here I have a pan lined with butter paper. Transfer the mixture and spread it using a oil applied spoon and let it set for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prepare Inji Puli. For that, in a pan take 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. To that add half teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger, 1 chopped green chilli. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes. Now to this add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half teaspoon of red chilli powder. Mix everything well. Here I had pre-soaked tamarind. I had taken lemon-sized tamarind and soaked it in 1/4 cup of water. Strain it and add the tamarind water and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. After that add 3 tablespoons of jaggery. Let the jaggery melt and mix with the tamarind. So our Inji Puli is ready now. It has the perfect consistency. Transfer it to a bowl and keep it aside. This is part of Onam Sadhya and this is so delicious. So our Mor Kali is also set now. Take out on a plate and cut it into pieces like so. So to serve it, I have taken inspiration from MasterChef finalist Aruna Vijay, and she had served it like so. And we have 4 pieces of Mor Kali with some Inji Puli on top and fried curry leaves on top, and this tasted so good. This is a delicious recipe and this is so different. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.